The insulated tube inserting machine from China. With its precise alignment and smooth operation, this machine significantly boosts production efficiency in the HVAC, refrigeration, and industrial sectors. In traditional production, tube feeding can be slow and inconsistent. That means more labor, more errors, and lower efficiency. This is where our automatic tube inserting machine makes the difference. It's designed to handle tube feeding smoothly, quickly, and consistently. In the production process, the tubing first undergoes straightening. Next, the machine ensures automatic feeding and inserting. After the tube end flaring machine performs the flaring operation, finally, the tube is processed into a finished product. With automated feeding, when used with tube end flaring machines and insulated tube recoiler machines, this feature can greatly improve workshop production speed, reduce downtime, and boost output. Replacing multi-person staffing, 1 or 2 operators can manage the whole process, saving labor while improving efficiency. A smarter way to produce insulating tubes. This production line is ideal for manufacturers looking to improve productivity and consistency. The tube insulated tube inserting machine, reliable performance, efficient operation, and engineered for stable and continuous production. For more efficient production solutions, please contact Bobo Machinery.